So, Mark, tell us about name anonymous type.
Sure, Roy. Name anonymous type takes an anonymous type construction, such as here I've got new, and I'm just specifying the properties of that type. The person instance has ID, properties of ID and name, and it takes that and turns that into an actual type, a named type. And you might find this useful if you're going to, for example, if you need, for example, to pass this type to a method, for example.
Okay, yeah.
And so it's a great way to be able to do that. It makes passing it to the method very easy. The challenge, as you'll see in the code that's generated, is that to make this 100% compatible with what you get from the C# compiler when it hits this code right here, there's actually a lot of code created in the background, but nonetheless, it's useful. So to get it, I come in here and I hit the CodeRush key. I choose name anonymous type. It's going to call it person because of the variable name that I had on the other side. I can now change that if I want to. I can just type in the new class, whatever that is. Here's what the declaration looks like. You can see it here. It's got an equals override. It's got a get hash code. It's got 2 string calls. It's got the ID property and the name property there.
Wow.
And this is what it gives us down here at the end. So there's a lot of code there, but this is identical to what the compiler gives you when you do it without without explicitly declaring the class. Of course,
Cool.
now the advantage is I've got that person class, and I can now create a method that accepts a person as a parameter.
Yeah, and you can return it back out, basically pass it around the rest of the system because the rest of the system will know what this means. It doesn't just have the scope of the method in which it was created.
Exactly.